Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have JBL headphones and I'm going to tell you how can you easily pair them with your Windows PC. So at first we have to take both earbuds out of the case, left and right, for example like that, and now we can close the case. Meantime, we can enter settings on our Windows PC by right-clicking this Windows logo at the bottom and clicking settings. Now we have to enter Bluetooth and devices, which are here, and here are device. Now Bluetooth, this is the first option, and now we have to bring either left or right earbud. I will do this, and now we have to unstick these magnets so that our headphone is turned on. Now we have to touch and hold on our touch control panel. Now we are in pairing mode, and let's wait until we see our headset in our device list. I guess that our headset is Bluetooth headset here, this one, so I click on it. And let's wait a moment. As you can see, this is this one, JBL Endurance Peak 3. Done. And that's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.